Hello everyone, this is Carol. I'm back with some more creative thoughts for you, and I am sharing this time a journal that I have called God Bless America. This is a design team project for Studio 28E. I will link all of that below so that you can visit Sherry's shop and see what all she has in design kits, and she has some other things I believe in her shop too, so I'm sure will enjoy browsing. And this book also will be on my Etsy shop, and I will link that below for you also. I will be putting that on later tonight, so you can take a look if you like. This journal is 5 3/8 inches wide. It is 7 3/4 inches tall. It has a 1 3/4 inch spine, and I've chosen to leave the back plain. I just liked the look of it with this journal that it is. It has a Tim Holtz hitch post closure with a Hobby Lobby ribbon to hold it shut. We'll go inside, and here is an envelope in the front that is from the kit, and I put in some Land That I Love paper that I have in my stash, and this book belongs to, this is a little book plate type thing that Sherry had shared with all of us on the Facebook groups. So you might check there. She has some really good ideas and things that she does. Here is the first page, and this is in the kit. I have put flat back pearls across the American, the Love, and the USA, if you can see that, if the camera picks that up. And then I've done some little flat back gems also. This is in the kit. I've added gems for a little sparkle and an added touch. This is a page from the kit that I cut in half. I did a edge punch on it and made a pocket. Added some little stars. This is a tag from the kit. This is one of the envelopes. Sherry does really nice little envelopes in her kits. And I've added some paper that is you can write on also. I won't take all of that out. All the paper has been coffee dyed in this kit. There are 96 pages front and back. Has 2 signatures and 28 plus tags. The plus will be envelopes and extra paper that I've added. Here's a little Paula Ferber paper clip that I did, and here's another one of those envelopes that Sherry does, and that it adds in the kit. She added this little tag that I made a little tuck spot for the envelope, and I added some paper in there so that that also can be written on. Then, whoops, on the other side, here's a little file folder that Sherry puts in the kit that I added and clipped it right there to the back of that clip. Here's a little half sheet of the coffee dyed paper that I've added in and made a tuck spot here with flat back pearls, Hobby Lobby ribbon, and Dollar Tree sticker. There are some tags that are in the kit. And there's one. And here's another little envelope that Sherry added into the kit, and I put some graph paper in there that's been coffee dyed that gives you some extra writing space also. There's stencil paper here, a little stenciling on the paper, the coffee dyed paper. I've left there's just lots and lots of space to write, so I didn't do a lot of, just a bit of stenciling here and there, and that just gives you some clear pages that you can work with. This is vellum that comes in the kit, and I printed on that. This is a little corner tuck spot, flip up, that Sherry adds to the kit. And here is a tag, and I have edged that in gold trim I sewed around it in gold. Here's another one of the tags with the Hobby Lobby ribbon. And more space to write, and here's more from the kit. This is also from the kit. This is a rectangular doily that I have put on, decoupaged one of the tags to. Here you can write on this side of the doily. It is smooth for writing. Here's ribbon that I purchased at Hobby Lobby a while back, and I made a tuck spot out of it, edged that one in gold, and there's a tag, and here is God Bless America. And this, I believe, I'm not sure if this is the kit or if I got that from Pinterest, but you'll be able to see that on if you check the kit out. And I made a tag out of that. More writing space. Here's from the kit. This is also from the kit. Here's a page from the kit, and I've edged it in gold thread sewing. And there I have put, flipped it up, made a pocket on the back with the ribbon, and then here is another tag. And then there's more writing space, a little bit of stenciling. This is the middle of the first signature. I put stars, glitzy stars, on the end of the strings. This is the Dollar Tree stickers. And more stenciling, writing space. Here's another page to write on with lines that comes in the kit. And this is that first page, the first page that you saw in the front. And I just left it plain and added it to back the lined paper. This is a decoupaged napkin, and this is another one of those Paula Ferber clips that I've made. And on the other side is a little page from the kit, or tag from the kit, and I just stuck it right in there. There's a little boy that I fussy cut out, downsized it and fussy cut from one of the tags, and decoupaged him on the doily. Did a little stenciling there. Here's more lined paper from the kit, and the other side is lined too. This is, I don't know if you can see, this has been the file folder, or I've used the folder, the embossing folder, and embossed stars on this, and then I made some of them gold periodically here. And then this is Michael's trim, and there is a tag from the kit. Here's a little envelope from the kit. Sherry's just done wonders with these little envelopes, and they're easy to fold and put together. There is a little index card that I've edged with a Martha Stewart punch and made a little writing space for you there. More writing, stenciling. Here's the other side of that vellum that I printed on. Here is another tag from the kit. And this is a flip down tuck spot. And here's the other half of that little paper, the half page, with a tag in it. And I've made a tuck spot with Martha Stewart punch, flat back pearls, Hobby Lobby ribbon, and the Dollar Tree stickers. More writing space. And here I've done some stenciling, and you have writing space. This comes in the kit, this pocket, and that tag fits perfectly in that pocket. And more writing space. This comes in the kit, and this is a page in the kit also. That ends the first signature, and then the second signature. This comes in the kit, God Bless America, the music. Here's a Veterans Day page, and it has all kinds of soldiers and men and women who have fought in the wars, and it's just a nice page that signifies Veterans Day. Here's another tag from the kit, doily that I've wrapped over that pocket in Recollections flowers, some flat back pearls, a little stenciling. And here, this is a Pinterest find. I just thought it fits so well in here. And there's another little tuck spot that Sherry's given us from the kit. And here is the more writing space and a little stenciling. Another Dollar Tree sticker. And there, this doily, you can write on the back of that because it is a smooth surface. So there's more writing space. Here's America the Beautiful. And I just left that plain because I thought it was so pretty and just lends to the whole journal. And here's the other side with some lines that are in the kit. This is a half page that I have cut in half and made a pocket out of. There's a tag from the kit. I've edged that again, sewed around it in gold thread. And here's another tag. Some stenciling, and writing space. And I think I told you everything is coffee dyed in here, all the plain papers, as well as the doilies. And this has been decoupaged onto the rectangular doily. I did a little stenciling there, but you could still write in that little space. Here is a decoupage napkin that I decoupaged over the song sheet, God Bless America. And so you can see through that. And there I made it a pocket, and there's a tag from the kit. And here is, I believe that is a Pinterest find also. But I felt it worked so well in there. Did a little stenciling there. More stenciling, and this is the coffee dyed paper, the pan that I use that makes the polka dots. Here is another page from the kit, and I backed it with another page from the kit. Here's a pocket that is in the kit. The song, Battle Hymn of the Republic. Made a tag out of that, and here's an index card that I edge punched it with stars and put a little ribbon from Hobby Lobby. And there's some stenciling. There's stenciling there. And here's more lined paper from the kit, as well as this. Backed it with that. Here's a little tag from the kit. I added some little flowers, flat back gems, and I made it a tuck spot or a pocket. And here is a little tag from the kit. And there's another tag in the kit. And here's more writing space. This is the center of the second signature. I've added some paper, Land That I Love, and that I had in my stash. That I had a long time ago when we had a store. I used to buy that paper, and I've looked everywhere to find that company, and I don't believe they're in business anymore. So, and here's more writing space, and here's some little Tim Holtz bows that I cut from one of his punches. This opens up and makes more writing space, and there, that opens up and makes more writing space. And then this is a tuck spot here, and there's a tuck spot here. And there's another little file folder from the kit. Here's another page to write on, and more lined paper that I've backed again with that. Here's another half of a song sheet, and I've added stars. And there is a tag in the pocket, more writing space, and here's more from the kit, as is this. And there's more, some stenciling, a little bit here. Here's that little boy that was on the tag that you saw previously, and I've added ribbon and fussy cut him and put him on, decoupaged him on the doily. And there's a little more writing space there with some stenciling. And this I found on Pinterest, and I just thought it looked really great as a pocket. So there's that. This is from the kit, a tag, and here's another one of Sherry's envelopes from the kit, and I've added the star there and put some paper in it, and there's that. More writing space. Here's another one of the Paula Ferber paper clips. And this one I didn't glue. I printed on the back of it and made it just a little folder type thing that you can just fold and write inside of that. And here's another one of those little file folders. I printed lines on the back. More writing, lined writing space. Here's the Star Spangled Banner paper again that comes in the kit, and it's so pretty. I had it in here before and I just thought it needed to be in here again, so I like it how it ended up as the page on the other side of this. Then here's another sticker from Dollar Tree, and there's a little more writing space that's been stenciled a little bit. Here's another one of those pages that I cut in half and made a pocket, and here is a tag from the kit. More writing space, another tag, and this tag is ribbon that I've had in my stash, and it looks very old. I bought it new, but I've had it a long time, so it's very wide. I gathered it and trimmed it in gold, sewed around it in gold, zigzagged, and made a pocket out of it. And here's more writing space. Here is another pocket made from the pages in the kit. And there's another tag. And that takes us to the last page, which, if you notice, that page is the page that's on the front of the book. And here is an envelope, just a plain envelope that I have decoupaged with a flag napkin. And I did the back in 14 karat gold paint, acrylic paint, that I purchased at Joann's. And inside is another one of those Land of the Free papers for extra writing space. And then the little card that I always add to my journals that I sign and tells a little bit about my journals, and that gives you some information to look at and to know about the journal too. And that ends this journal, and I think I made it completely through without my little iPad giving out on me. I am so glad about that. And if you like this journal, I would love for you to put a like on it, subscribe, and make a comment if you liked it. And I always answer my comments, so I'd love to hear from you. And I will be coming back. I've got 2 more videos to do. I'm doing lots of catching up. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope to see you again. Thank you.